Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by restarting your iPad to clear temporary glitches and free memory. Hold the top button and slide to power off, then restart. Next, open Settings and check General, then Software Update. Install the latest iPad OS update if one is available. After updating, open Settings, choose Safari, and tap Clear History and Website Data. Confirm to remove cookies, caches, and browsing history that can cause loading failures or crashes. If Safari still misbehaves, check your network connection and privacy settings. Toggle Wi-Fi off and on to refresh the connection and reconnect to your router. Disable any VPNs or content blockers temporarily to see if they interfere with page loading. Go to Settings, tap Safari, then check block pop-ups and prevent cross-site tracking settings. If pages remain blank or time out, open Settings, tap General, then Reset, and choose Reset Network Settings. For persistent issues, perform a force restart by holding the top button for 10 seconds until the Apple logo appears. If Safari still crashes, go to Settings, General, Reset, and choose Reset All Settings to restore defaults without erasing personal data. This removes preferences that can break Safari while keeping apps and files intact. As a last resort, back up your iPad to iCloud or a computer, then restore from that backup. Contact Apple support if Safari remains unstable after these steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.